Hi, it's Alice from Fine & Country and I'm here today at Red Gables. This is currently two separate semi-detached properties, but was formerly a detached property, so would be perfect for anybody looking to restore it into a large family home or potentially have income as well. Let's take a look. Upon entering one of the properties, you're welcomed with an entrance hall which leads off to a separate reception room or potential bedroom. Leading through to here, you get the open plan dining room and living space, which follows through to the kitchen. If you like the look of this property, give us a call today on 01237 426 018.